Good morning, everyone. Today we will study English literature. We are going to study chapter number 2, The Lost Sheep. Which chapter we are going to study? We are going to study chapter number 2, The Lost Sheep. This story is about a boy and a sheep. Okay, so now let us study this. Today I will explain you the chapter and I will read it for you. Okay, everyone get ready with your books and let's start studying this chapter. Let us start now. A little boy had a sheep. What is the chapter telling? There was a little boy who had a sheep. एक छोटा बच्चा था जिसके पास एक sheep थी. What is sheep? What is sheep? Sheep is a भेड़. Okay? The sheep ran away. Now what happened? The sheep ran away. Sheep भाग गई. The sheep went into the forest. Where did the sheep go? Sheep went into the forest. What is forest? Forest is jungle. He saw some grass. Sheep saw some grass. Sheep ने क्या देखा? Sheep ने grass देखी. He wanted to eat the grass. Sheep को grass खाना था. Why? Because grass is the food of sheep. The little boy wanted to go home. Now who was the little boy? Little boy was the owner of the sheep. Sheep का owner था. Owner मतलब sheep किसकी थी? Little boy की थी. And what little boy wanted to do? Little boy wanted to go home. Little boy को कहाँ जाना था? घर जाना था. The sheep would not go home. But sheep did not want to go home. Sheep को घर नहीं जाना था. The boy began to cry. Now what happened? The boy, he started crying. वो रोने लगा. A rabbit came by. Now who came there? There came a rabbit. एक rabbit आया वहाँ पे. What is rabbit? A rabbit is खरगोश. Why are you crying, little boy? Now rabbit came to the boy and he asked the boy, why are you crying? Rabbit ने little boy को पूछा, आप क्यों रो रहे हो? I am crying because my sheep has run away. Boy ने बताया that he's crying because my sheep has run away. उसकी sheep वहाँ से भाग गई थी. Don't cry, little boy. I can make the sheep go home. Now what happened? Rabbit said that rabbit can make the sheep go home. Rabbit ने बोला कि rabbit sheep को घर भेज सकता है. The rabbit ran after the sheep. Rabbit ने क्या किया? Rabbit sheep के पीछे भागा. The sheep would not go home. But sheep would not go home. Sheep को घर नहीं जाना था. वो घर नहीं गई. Then the rabbit began to cry. Now what happened? जब sheep नहीं मानी, then what happened? Rabbit also started crying. Rabbit भी रोने लगा. Now let's go to the next page. A squirrel came by. Now who came? A squirrel came. Who is squirrel? Gilehri. Why are you crying, little rabbit? Now what happened? Squirrel asked rabbit. Squirrel ने rabbit से पूछा, why are you crying? आप क्यों रो रहे हो? I am crying because the little boy is crying. His sheep has run away. Now what happened? Rabbit ने बताया squirrel को कि वो रो रहा है क्योंकि little boy रो रहा है. And why is little boy crying? Because his sheep has run away. Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home. Now what happened? Squirrel said that don't cry. मत रो. I can make the sheep go home. Now squirrel said that she will make the sheep go home. The squirrel ran after the sheep. Now what happened? The squirrel, she went after the sheep. वो भी भागी किसके पीछे? Sheep के पीछे. The sheep would not go home. Now what happened? Again sheep did not want to go home. Sheep को फिर भी घर नहीं जाना था. Then the squirrel began to cry. Now what happened? Squirrel started crying. अभी कौन रोने लगा? Squirrel रोने लगा. A fox came by. Now who came? A fox came. What is a fox? A fox is lomdi. What is fox? A fox is lomdi. Now see here. Look into this picture. Now see here. Look into this picture. This is fox. This is squirrel. And this is the rabbit. Now fox is talking. Why are you all crying? Now what happened? Fox is asking, why are you all crying? आप सब क्यों रो रहे हो? We are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. Now what happened? Rabbit is telling, हम क्यों रो रहे हैं? क्योंकि little boy की sheep वहाँ से भाग गई है. Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home. Now what happened? Fox said that don't cry. मत रो. I can make the sheep go home. The fox ran after the sheep. Now what happened? Fox गया किसके पीछे? Sheep के पीछे. The sheep would not go home. But again the same thing. Sheep घर नहीं गया. Then the fox began to cry. Now what happened? Fox also started crying. Okay, now let's turn to the next page. A bee flew by. Now who came? A bee came. Why are you all crying? Now bee asked, bee ने पूछा, why are you all crying? You can see this is the fox, he's crying. This is squirrel, he's crying. And this is rabbit, he is also crying. We are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. Now what happened? They are telling that they are crying because जो little boy है उसकी sheep कहाँ गई है? भाग गई है. Please don't cry. I can make the sheep go home. Now what happened? Bee said, don't cry. मत रो. I will make the sheep go home. We cannot make the sheep go home. Can a little bee make the sheep go home? Now what are they telling? What are they saying? They are saying कि we all did. हमने सबने कोशिश करी. But हम sheep को घर नहीं भेज पाए. क्या इतनी छोटी सी bee उसको घर भेज पाएगी? Is it possible? The fox laughed. The rabbit laughed. The squirrel laughed. Now what happened? They all started laughing. Fox laughed, fox हंसी. Rabbit laughed, rabbit हंसा. Squirrel laughed, squirrel भी हंसी. The little bee flew into the forest. Now what happened? जो little bee थी वो उड़ती हुई कहाँ गई? Into the forest. And how she went there? Buzzing. How did she went there? Buzzing. Buzzing is the sound made by the bee. The bee will sting me. I must run. Now what happened? Bee को देखकर जो fox थी वो डर गई कि bee मुझे काट लेगी और bee काट लेगी इसलिए मैं भागूं. I must run. मुझे भागना चाहिए. तो वो वहां से भागने लगा. The sheep ran home. And then what happened? Sheep भागते भागते घर चला गया. The little boy laughed. He said, thank you little bee. Now what happened? जो little boy था वो हंसा और उसने क्या बोला? Thank you. किसको बोला? Little bee को. Because little bee ही थी जिसने sheep को घर पहुंचाया. Okay, so this was the chapter. Now we will start doing hard words in our notebooks. Okay, let us take out our copies now. Now let us start our notebook work. How we will start the work? We will write the date at the left corner. We will write CW, that is classwork. We will put chapter number, that is chapter 2. We'll write the name of the chapter, the lost sheep. Then we'll put the heading of the work, that is hard words. Okay. Now we will start with the hard words. Number 1, little. 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 2. Sheep. Sheep. Third is forest. 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 4 is grass. 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 5 is wanted. 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 6 is rabbit. 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 7 is because. 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 8 is crying. 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 9 is squirrel. 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 10 is fox. Fox. 11 is flew. Flew. 12 is home. Home. 13 is laughed. Laughed. 14 is sting. Sting. 15 is thank you. Thankyu. Thank you. Now these are your hard words. You have to complete this in your English literature copies. Okay? And you will learn the hard words and you will read the chapter once again. Okay? Now this is your work. Thank you. God bless you.